Hi, my name is Jolynn Stockton. This is my introduction video for MIT 885. I was born and raised in New Mexico. I got my bachelor's in elementary education at New Mexico State University. I have added an early childhood endorsement to my license, and I'm almost done with my master's in instructional technology with the intent to graduate in May 2019. I am currently a pre-kindergarten teacher in the Denver, Colorado area. My technology experience includes mostly Apple products. Part of that is personal preference, and part of that is because I worked at the Apple Store. So I have pretty extensive experience in iPads, MacBook, Apple TV, Apple Watch, smartphones. The school district I taught in previously also used all Apple products. I am currently in a school district that uses Chromebooks, and they've given me a Dell computer to use in my classroom. Taking my classes at Fort Hays, I've also gained experience in using a lot of the Google products and had exposure to using lots of different applications and programs like Screencast-O-Matic that I'm using now to record this presentation. In my classroom, I also have a Promethean board. Challenges that I currently face include just having old equipment in my classroom. My computer is pretty outdated, missing keys. Sometimes the ports don't work, so when I go to connect it to my Promethean board, I might not have video or I might not have sound, and I never quite know if it's going to work or not. I actually have my kids cross their fingers, close their eyes, and wish real hard that our technology will work. That kind of keeps them quiet while I'm over there trying to, fix it. But so that is a challenge for me. Some of the equipment's just unfamiliar too. Like I said, I'm really used to my Apple computer, and so trying to navigate on a Dell is just different for me. And then the third challenge that I have is just that my kids they're very young. They have limited experience with technology. I know children by age 4 can navigate things pretty good, and if nothing else, they figure it out. It's a pretty poor school, and so I think that they just don't have quite as much exposure as maybe other kids do. But I have 2 classroom iPads. I don't think they're actually meant for the kids, but I'm going to use them for the kids. I'm going to download some apps that are appropriate for them, and I'll be introducing that very soon to them. I haven't done it sooner because I took over this class in December. My future plans include continuing to teach in the classroom. I also am interested in being in charge of professional development. I would love to be someone who comes and teaches the teachers about all these great and wonderful resources that we have as far as technology and how to implement them in their classrooms. And I haven't ruled out maybe pursuing one day being an online teacher. Anyways, it's a pleasure to meet you all. I look forward to getting to know you better.